Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to link or unlink the Google Assistant from or to power button on this device. So first you go to the settings and just scroll down to the additional settings section. Now just you'll see the gesture shortcuts, and here the first section is the Google Assistant. Now just to turn on this function, tap on the switcher once, and now we'll check. Yes, as can you see, our Google Assistant is activated now. Now we'll go back, and just to turn on this function, tap on the switcher again, and as can you see, we'll change this function. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.